Welcome back to Auto Review Zone. Today, we're excited to introduce the latest addition to BMW's electric lineup, the new BMW i4. This car is set to redefine the boundaries of electric driving. Let us take an in-depth look. The BMW i4 is designed to capture the essence of BMW's performance heritage while embracing electric innovation. At first glance, its sleek, aerodynamic design immediately stands out. The large, iconic BMW kidney grills are more than just a design statement. They house sensors for the car's advanced driver assistance systems. The i4 features sharp LED headlights and a low, sporty stance that enhances its dynamic appearance. The car's aerodynamic lines not only contribute to its aesthetic appeal but also improve its efficiency by reducing drag. Inside, the BMW i4 offers a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. The centerpiece is the BMW curved display, which integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This seamless display is intuitive and responsive, providing access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, featuring options like leather upholstery and ambient lighting to create a premium driving experience. The ergonomic design ensures that everything you need is within easy reach, enhancing both comfort and convenience. Performance is where the BMW i4 truly shines. The base model, i4 eDrive 40, is powered by a rear-mounted electric motor producing 335 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking an extra thrill, the i4 M50 offers dual electric motors with a combined output of 536 horsepower and 586 lb-ft of torque, delivering exhilarating acceleration and exceptional handling. When it comes to range, the i4 doesn't disappoint. The eDrive 40 provides up to 300 miles on a single charge, while the more powerful M50 offers about 270 miles. With fast charging capabilities, you can recharge up to 80% in approximately 30 minutes, making long trips more convenient. Safety is a top priority for BMW, and the i4 is equipped with the latest technology to keep you secure on the road. The i4 comes standard with BMW's Driving Assistance Professional package, which includes active cruise control with stop and go, lane departure warning, and active blind spot detection. Whether you're navigating urban streets or enjoying a long highway cruise, the i4's driving modes allow you to tailor the vehicle's performance to your preferences, ensuring a comfortable and engaging driving experience. In summary, the new BMW i4 blends cutting-edge technology, performance, and luxury into a compelling electric package. It's a powerful statement of BMW's commitment to the future of driving. Thanks for watching our detailed look at the BMW i4. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notifications on our latest reviews. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the i4 or any other cars you'd like us to cover. Until next time, drive safely and stay tuned.